Narito ang listahan ng mga nanalo sa MMFF 2024 na Gabi ng Parangal, ayon sa Rappler. MMFF Lifetime Achievement Award Joseph Erap Ejercito Estrada. Best Float, Uninvited and Topak. Gender Sensitivity, and The Breadwinner is. Third Best Student Short Film PNB 12 hanggang 50, University of the Philippines Mindanao. Second Best Student Short Film, A Delivery Rider, City of Malabon University. Best Student Short Film, Saan Naabot ang 50 Pesos Mo? University of Makati. Special Jury Prize, Inang Wakwak, Mindanao State University General Santos. Best Visual Effects, The Kingdom, Riot Inc. Best Child Performer, Shena Stevens, Green Bones. Best Musical Score, Vincent De Jesus, Isang Himala. Best Sound, The Toy Aguila, Strange Frequencies, Taiwan Killer Hospital. Best Original Theme Song, Ang Himala ay Nasa Puso, From Isang Himala, by Vincent De Jesus and Ricky Lee, interpreted by Juan Carlos. Best Editing, Vanessa Ubas de Leon, My Future You. Best Cinematography, Neil Dazet Green Bones. Best Production Design, Nestor Abrogine, The Kingdom. Best Supporting Actress, Kaki Teodoro, Isang Himala. Best Supporting Actor, Ruro Madrid, Green Bones. Breakthrough Performance Award, Seth Fedilen, My Future You. Special Jury Citation, Vice Ganda. Best Screenplay, Ricky Lee and Angeli Atienza, Green Bones. Fernando Poe Jr. Memorial Award Topak. Gatpuno Antonio J. Villegas Cultural Award, The Kingdom. Best Actor, Dennis Trillo, Green Bones. Best Actress, Judy Ann Santos, Espantaho. Special Jury Prize, Topak and Isang Himala. Best Director, Crisanto Aquino, My Future You, and Michael Tuviera, The Kingdom. Fourth Best Picture, Isang Himala. Third Best Picture, My Future You. Second Best Picture, The Kingdom. Best Picture, Green Bones.